Module 3. Unveiling your Zodiac Traits. Lesson 1. Strengths and weaknesses of each zodiac sign. Let's start with the intro. Greetings, Cosmic Voyagers. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of your zodiac sign to unveil the strengths and weaknesses that make you uniquely you. Understanding is crucial for mastering your financial world and aligning it with your celestial blueprint. Objectives identify the key strengths and weaknesses of each zodiac sign. Understand how these traits can impact your financial wellness. Gain insights into leveraging your strengths and mitigating your weaknesses in the realm of personal finance. Strengths and weaknesses. A zodiac overview. Let's explore the strengths and weaknesses of each zodiac sign and how they can. Aries. Strengths: courageous, energetic, pioneering. Weaknesses: impulsive, impatient. Financial implication: great at starting financial ventures, but may need to slow down to consider long-term implications. Taurus. Strengths: reliable, practical, patient. Weaknesses: stubborn, risk-averse. Financial implication: excellent at saving but may miss out on lucrative investment opportunities. Gemini. Strengths: adaptable, communicative, versatile. Weaknesses: indecisive, inconsistent. Financial implication: good at networking but may struggle with sticking to a financial plan. Cancer. Strengths: intuitive, nurturing, cautious. Weaknesses: moody, overly emotional. Financial implication: excellent at budgeting, but may make impulsive purchases based on emotions. Leo. Strengths: generous, creative, enthusiastic. Weaknesses: arrogant, extravagant. Financial implication: likely to earn well but may spend lavishly. Virgo. Strengths: analytical, practical, meticulous. Weaknesses: overcritical, perfectionist. Financial implication: great at financial planning but may suffer from analysis paralysis. Libra. Strengths: diplomatic, balanced, social. Weaknesses: indecisive, avoids confrontation. Financial implication: good at financial partnerships but may struggle with making decisive financial choices. Scorpio. Strengths: determined, resourceful, strategic. Weaknesses: secretive, jealous. Financial implication: excellent at long-term financial planning but may keep financial matters to private. Sagittarius. Strengths: optimistic, adventurous, independent. Weaknesses: impatient, blunt. Financial implication: great at finding financial opportunities but may lack focus. Capricorn. Strengths: disciplined, responsible, ambitious. Weaknesses: pessimistic, overly cautious. Financial implication: excellent at saving and investing but may miss out on short-term gains. Aquarius. Strengths: innovative, open-minded, altruistic. Weaknesses: detached, unpredictable. Financial implication: good at spotting financial trends but may lack emotional connection to financial goals. Pisces. Strengths: compassionate, intuitive, adaptable. Weaknesses: overly sensitive, escapist. Financial implication: may have a strong intuitive sense about financial matters but needs to be grounded.